The Crazy Easy Double Smash Burger. If you enjoy watching these videos, please show us your love and hit that like and subscribe button below. For this, we are going to need some fresh ground beef. I have some lean ground beef here. Need a white onion. Going to need some Kraft single slices, some salt, some pepper, and of course some buns. And I pre-cut some condiments. I got some pickles, tomatoes, onions, and lettuce, and I made my own burger sauce. To start, let's grab that onion and let's cut it as thin as we can. If we have a mandolin or a grater, definitely use that because these onions will go on top of the patties as they are cooking. So the thinner, the better. And once that's done, grab that beef and we will cut this into quarters. And after that, let's cut each quarter into halves. So essentially a pack should make 8 patties. And just form those into round balls. Definitely don't put a lot of pressure on it because you are going to be smashing these down into a hot pan. And once that's done, let's grab a pan, turn the heat on. Once it gets really hot, just toss in those 2 patties. And then you're going to grab some salt and pepper. And you want to throw some onions on it. And grab that spatula and just smash it right down. You definitely want these, I would say, less than 1/4 of an inch thick. I mean, you want them as thin as possible for sure. And once it starts browning on the bottom, you'll see it on the sides. Just give them a good flip. And then put your cheese on it and put your bun on top. And you want that steam to get into the buns there. Make it nice and soft and moist. And then once that's done, we're going to remove those from the pan. It shouldn't take you any longer than 3 minutes altogether. And I'll put some burger sauce on there. This burger sauce here, the recipe is in the link. It's kind of similar to the In-N-Out burger sauce. It's really good. And I'm just going to throw my condiments on. I got my lettuce, onions, tomatoes, and pickles. So the top on there, that's it. It's a smash burger. Like, oh boy, how good does that look? The Crazy Easy Double Smash Burger. It was a quick video. Make this recipe. You will love it. Thanks everyone. Till next time.